So I'm gonna look at my curls. Okay. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So as you guys can see, I'm not where I usually am, and there's like no lights, sorry, I'm trying to fix that. There's no lighting in here. That's really good. So we gotta really make this quick because yeah, the sun is about to go down. So I'm about to try this style. I'll put it on the screen. And we're gonna see how it goes. I have to get my hair situated first. So I'm gonna look at my curls. Okay. I'm gonna party first, so let's start this. I'm a little discombobulated because like, yeah. So I guess I'm going to do my swoop first. Yeah, we'll do the swoop first. Is that? Yeah, like I don't have my normal hair products either. So we will see. I think I have enough to like do something with. But other than that, I really don't know. Okay, I think this is good for my swoop, right? Because I definitely have to make it go all the way down. Because my hair is short. Okay, we're gonna make that swoop. We're gonna make this a swoop. And now I'm about to part for my two little ponytails. So let's see. Let's make this the middle part. Okay. The little ponytails aren't really that much. Like, I really don't need that much hair. Let's even hope that my hair goes into the two ponytails. I think it's too short, but we gonna make it work. So I do have a few of my products because I definitely wasn't gonna be able to do my hair with nothing. So I did bring my bobby pins and my, I brought my bobby pins and my, oh, this is gonna be funny. Y'all are gonna laugh at me. Y'all are really gonna laugh at me because I'm gonna laugh at myself. But I feel like it's gonna be cute. Like, I have a feeling it's gonna be cute. So we're just gonna keep that feeling alive and keep it moving. This is really just like really a spur in the moment type thing. Okay, so these are my two ponytails. So the rest I'm going to actually braid down. Do you guys wanna watch me braid down? Probably not. But I'm braid down with y'all anyways. I think I'm just gonna like speed up everything and let you guys just watch me. So yeah, I'll be back. Y'all see the sun going down already? Y'all also are on my tripod. So like, this whole setup is just wonkers. I'm kind of nervous though, no lie. Cause every time I do a swoop, it never works. It's either I don't have enough hair or honestly, I think that's the only reason why. It better be the only reason why. So we're gonna try to see. I'm trying to make my baby hairs a little dramatic. So let's hope that works. My mom's eco styler and brush this little pony up. I hope I have an even amount of hair on both sides, even though like we clearly see there's more hair gonna be on this side because the swoop is on the other side. But we will see. We will definitely see. should turn out. It should, right? Oh, the rubber band just broke. Part was braided. Let's braid it. Let's braid it, braid it, braid it, braid it, braid it. Braid it, braid it, braid it, braid it. I love it when you in my hair, braid it down. Okay, I'm trying to braid it as far down as I can. Hold on a second. Okay, I kind of want this bottom part out, so I'm going to put a rubber band at the bottom. I hear my tongue. And I'm going to let that stay. Okay, so now this part. Okay, I'm almost done, y'all. For the moment we've all been waiting for. This mother freaking swoop. Whew, I am nervous. Okay, so I'm going to take this Eco Styler and put generous amounts on my head, okay? Generous amounts. Because, yeah. And then I'm going to brush it. Oh, you saw that little swoop? That was cute. Look at the little swoopy. Am I gonna keep the little swoopy? Probably not. But is it cute that the little swoopy is trying to stay? A little bit. Do I like the little swoopy? Let me see. Do I like the little swoopy? Nah. Okay. That means this needs to be pushed. This is fun. It's actually not doing as bad as I thought it would, so that's like the beauty of it. So now we're about to swoop this. I just keep saying swoop, I'm just so excited. Okay. Put the bobby pin behind my ear. Okay, we getting somewhere. We getting somewhere. I'm putting the other bobby pin going down from that. So it holds it. Oh my gosh! Okay, and then I'm actually going to add this. I'm gonna twist it down and put it underneath that hair, okay? So then when this falls down, it's like out of sight, out of mind. Okay. Okay. So now let's take my hair down. Y'all, it's almost dark. Okay. I like it so far. I'm gonna take these out. They're still wet, so my hair is not gonna be dry, but curl pattern is awesome. And I am done. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. And keep coming back because Vlogtober, aka HAIRtober, is not over. Can you guys see me? See you guys.